Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restore deleted video in TikTok. So we are in profile and then you see menu, so click on it, and then you see setting and privacy, so again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy section. Now you see multiple option and then you see activity center, so again click on it. So we are in activity center and then you see recently deleted. So we are going to restore our deleted video. Now click on it. So we are in recently deleted section. Now you see post will be permanent deleted after a shown time. Now you see 30 days left. If you want, you can restore it, and after 30 days your video will be deleted. Now click on it and then you see restore. So click on it and then you see restore this post. Again click on restore section button. Now you see video restore done, and then you see no recently deleted post. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.